What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In the garage right now, setting up the new flooring for the boat. Got some foam on Amazon. This piece here was already done. Gonna finish up the front deck, rod locker in the back deck. Gonna get some plywood for this middle part here, some plywood and new carpeting. The boat's gonna have some new flooring set up. Some major boat upgrades coming. Already got the Minn Kota, TH Marine prop nut, Ninja blade. Now it's time to make it more comfortable. Finish up this foam so we're not standing on fiberglass. Stay tuned. Got to measure out the pieces, cut them out, cut the sections out, measure it out, and then glue it down. Almost got the front all measured out and cut. A couple more pieces here. And then we'll get the glue. Glue it all down, make sure it's nice and snug. And we'll be good to go. Be fishing for hours, no problem. Alright, I got the line measured out already. Go ahead and cut it right there. Alright, here's the piece that I just cut out. I had to make another cut right here and then this way. And it's gonna fit right there. So it's gonna be like an angled cut. I have to cut it right there. Then an angle. I'll measure it with the lines, get it cut out. And that'll be good for the rod locker. I got the other two pieces cut out already. It's gonna fit on there like that. Cover up the whole rod locker. I'll put another one back here. Be good to go. A few more pieces for the front deck. It'll be set up. Alright, I'm gonna go cut it out on the line here. Then I'll make another angled cut about right there. Let's go get that piece cut out. There's that piece. Got that section all flush. Probably even it out a little bit more right there. Getting there. Couple more pieces. That'll be ready for glue. Little section here. In the back. Almost done. Alright, just cut out that piece for the front. Ended up with a extra piece. It's almost a perfect fit for the back. So I'll use that piece for the back. And I gotta cut out a couple more of those, just like that. Use the extra from these pieces after I fill in the front here. I'll have a whole bunch extra to fill in the back deck. Cut these little knobbies off, and then it'll connect right here. This is already prepared, sanded down, smooth. Just gotta glue it down with some Gorilla Glue spray adhesive, and it'll be set. Getting there. The second piece. Got both pieces for the back engine compartment cut out. Got the square measured out, lined out for the latch on the back compartment. Just gotta cut this square out right here. Okay, I got all my components laid out here. Got the Gorilla Glue spray adhesive. Got these all measured out, cut out for the back deck compartment. All I have to do is spray the back of it. I'll spray the middle too. Hit both sides and glue it down. Good. Gotta get it lined up quick. Not going nowhere. It's a little bit lighter gray from the other one that we had. It's a two-tone. Still looks cool. Back deck. Back deck fully done. All good. Foam. Nice and soft and comfortable. Perfect for fishing on the back deck. Looking good. Now I just got to do the front. Soft enough to sleep back here now. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and glue down this next section right here. Piece covering up the rod locker. I gotta cut out the hole for the latch still right there. And then I gotta finish cutting out the front. Be good to go. piece here. And that'll be that section. Just gotta glue it down. Yeah. It's looking good. It's on there solid. Nice good fit. Feels soft. Flush fit. A little bit to go. We're getting there. That's all that's left on the front deck here. Got these pieces cut out. Glue this one down. Little section here. I got a couple more big pieces. See how I'm gonna lay them out and cut them. Last little section here. Just put in the piece for the rod locker. Almost there. Good. Another little triangle here. Strip. Another triangle. And a rectangle there. And then I'll do the edges. It's coming together. Couple more pieces. Be ready for action. Make sure it's nice and packed down. Two and a half inches. Be a 2.5 inch strip going all the way down. And then I put 2 triangle pieces and 1 rectangle. We'll completely fill it out. This strip here, triangle, triangle, rectangle. It's that easy. Just give you that strip right there. Little gap in between so I can still open this bait well in the front. Might have to trim it a little bit more. Still water in there. But let's see. It's coming together. A couple more pieces. I'll be done. Fit. I'll cut a little hole where the rod strap is, or maybe I'll move it. Might move this out a little more, about right here. Be able to fit a couple more rods in there. And it shouldn't be in the way since it'll be in between the foam. Unscrew these two, put 2 holes right here. Move that over. Rod strap will come over and hook right there. That'll work. I just need 1 piece here. Probably do the same thing. A triangle, another piece. And I gotta glue this down and move that over. And that's it. Still be able to open it. Can't hold it open. It won't stay open, but that's all right. that piece. One more little corner piece. It's gonna be the Frankenstein. No matter. Foam's foam. Just as long as it's more comfortable for us to stand on. Not worried about the colors. One little section there. Down to the last little corner. Oop, oop. Put a strip back here. Back deck's already done. Put some mint. That's what I'm talking about. Final piece of the puzzle. Move all this out of the way. Extra piece. Here it is. All foamed up. Small little strip right there down the side, but other than that, the entire thing's covered in foam. Front deck, rod locker, center console, back deck, all the compartments, the engine compartment, all opens up, nice and flush. 5-well compartment. Got the new seats in. Garmin hooked up. It's inside right now, but it's all hooked up. Transducer cables. New Minn Kota. Power drive. Got the TH Marine prop nut. Ninja blade. ProCraft's getting some major upgrades. The only thing it's missing is a new Merc. This Evinrude's still got some life in it. Fixing to run it till it blows. Toss a new Merc on this. And we'll be set. It's looking good. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned till next time. Peace.